Understanding the concept of cultural mosaic. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic in the English language: the concept of a cultural mosaic. This phrase is not just a linguistic expression, but it also carries a profound meaning, especially in today's diverse and globalized world. So, let's explore what it really means and why it's important. A cultural mosaic is a metaphor used to describe a society that is made up of many distinct, coexisting cultures. Unlike a melting pot, where different cultures blend into a single homogeneous entity, a cultural mosaic maintains the uniqueness of each culture. This creates a society that is rich in diversity and celebrates various cultural identities. The term cultural mosaic has its roots in the early 20th century, but it became more prevalent in discussions about multiculturalism in countries like Canada. It's used to acknowledge and appreciate the contributions of various ethnic groups to the fabric of a nation's culture, economy, and identity. In a cultural mosaic, you'll find examples in everyday life like diverse cuisine, multilingual signs, cultural festivals, and more. This variety enriches a society, fostering tolerance and understanding among different communities. In our globalized world, understanding the concept of a cultural mosaic is crucial. It promotes the idea of coexistence and mutual respect, vital for peace and harmony in increasingly multicultural societies. It also encourages individuals to preserve their cultural heritage while respecting others. I hope this video has shed light on the beautiful and complex idea of a cultural mosaic. It's a concept that celebrates diversity and unity, reminding us that while we may come from different backgrounds, we are all part of a larger, vibrant community. Thank you for watching. And remember to embrace and appreciate the cultural mosaic around you.